In this video, I will show you how to make free video with AI or artificial intelligence. With this site, you can make any video you want. We need just a text. This site will change our text to video. It has so easy step. It is short video for YouTube. We made this video with this AI. Look.
In the vibrant realm of Techland, where artificial intelligence reigns supreme, two robots named Campy and Digi tirelessly cater to the city's needs. On this extraordinary stage,
I write my text for this site. This AI changed my text to this video. You can make like this any video or any kind of video you want. Just write your text, then AI will generate your text to video.
a unique friendship blossoms. A young boy, Art, befriends a robot unlike any other. Meet Kibo. Kibo.
Let's make this video again. Open this site. I will share this link on the description. You can find from description. When you open this site, click here, join with Google, and also you can create account. I want to join with Google. Then choose your email address. I want to choose this email. When this page appears for you, you can choose type of your video. What kind of video do you want, or for what platform you want to make video? For example, I want to make video for YouTube. Click here, then click on continue. It will take a few seconds to load this site. When you choose type of your video, this page will come for you. Look, when you click here, what kind of video you want to make for YouTube? You want to make short video or you want to make long video? For example, I want to make short video. Then you can customize your video. Do you want to male sound or female? Then you can write your text here. Create a YouTube short about what do you want to make your video. Write your text. It is a story text. You can write any text you want. It is a short text. I want to change this text to video. Click on continue. If your text is okay, then click here, generate a video. It will take a few moments because this site first analyze your text. Now it is done. Then it will think about your text, what kind of picture or what kind of content you need to AI find for you. Now it's preparing for you. In this step, everything is okay. You can click on continue. Now it generates video for you. Guys, in this step, if you want to watch this kind of useful video, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will have notification. And also don't forget to like this video. This step will take a few moments to make your video. Now this video generated by AI. If you want to change your video or if you want to edit your video, click on edit. You can edit any part of video. Look, when I click here, this text will yellow for you. You can change your text. The video will change also for you. For example, if I click here, it is this part of text. If I click here, it is this part of text. If you want to change any part of your video, then you can change your text. It is okay for me. When you change your text, then click on generate. It will generate again your new text to video. From here, you can change your quality. You can download with Full HD and also you can download for any type you want. How we can export our video? Click here, export. Look, we export this video.
In the vibrant realm of Techland, where artificial intelligence reigns supreme, two robots named Campy.
I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.